Jessica Webb.
Yes.
You were suing the defendant, Lamont Lawrence.
Yes.
For $714 for a refund for services related to hair extensions you had put in?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you're
correct.
countersuing, sir, for $1,500 for slander.
Yes.
Okay, and I see you all both brought a lot of hair to court today. So why don't we start with you, Ms. Webb, and tell me what's going on here.
I actually was hosting a birthday party for my 1-year-old, and the venue was actually in the same shopping plaza as Mr. Lawrence's shop. Walked by there and inquired about his kinky curly hair.
What kind?
Kinky curly.
Okay, and so, sir, you own a salon?
Yes, I
What
do.
kind of salon is it?
It's a combination of a hair salon and a virgin hair boutique. We sell high-end extensions as well as full service.
Okay, and what does it mean if hair is virgin hair?
Hair that can be colored, straight and curled. When washed, it'll return to the natural state.
Okay.
You have virgin hair, you have raw virgin hair. Raw virgin hair would be totally untouched.
Okay.
Just taken off someone's head, no processing done. Virgin hair, they do steam processing on certain textures to create a certain pattern.
Okay, because she was asking about, what is it, kinky curly?
Exactly.
Do you have an example of that with you?
I surely do. This is the kind of hair that she brought, which is this tight curly.
Do you
That's
buy
right.
some hair?
I did. I bought hair that day, actually.
Okay, how much just for the hair itself?
$160.
That's a pretty good deal for 2 bundles of virgin hair. Isn't it
Exactly.
usually twice as much?
Exactly. So,
And so does that concern you at all that you're getting such a good deal?
you know, at the time, I just thought, like, I guess I had a really great luck that day or something, because I guess I'm a virgin hair fanatic.
And
It's a
how
higher
are you
quality.
able to sell 2 bundles of virgin hair for $160?
I actually been
How are you
in
making a profit?
in this industry for a long time, and that was a special that I actually ran to get new customers to know about us in the area. We actually offered installs that day that she came in for $50, which is really not making profit, but it was
Right.
a promotion.
Customers come in, and one of the problems in the industry is they look at hair and they can't tell whether or not it's virgin, and then they're sold a product that's not really virgin.
Coming up on Judge Faith, was the client confused about the quality of the hair?
To be honest with you, I was naive. I really thought that somebody's hair did look like that.
When people say Brazilian hair, everybody in the industry knows that's the identifying the texture. That doesn't mean Brazilian women are cutting their hair off, selling their hair.
Plaintiff Francesca Webb says the hair Lawrence sold her wasn't virgin hair. She's suing for a refund on hair extension services. Defendant Lamont Lawrence says he doesn't know, and Francesca was confused between raw and virgin hair. He's countersuing for slander.
And so what ends up happening? You buy these 2 bundles of hair from him. You have them installed. You pay a total of $210. What ends up happening? Why do you say it wasn't virgin hair?
His stylist actually installed the hair, and after she installed it, I noticed that it was really dry, and it started shedding. Like, I just kind of had hair just flying off in the wind, and it just looked like a bird's nest, really. I didn't like it. And I went home, and I got a second opinion from my mother, and she was looking at me quite crazy. She was like, what happened? You spent $300 on that?
When you got it installed, what process did you have done at the salon that day?
He had already previously colored the hair before
So the hair was
process.
colored
Yes.
after you purchased it, right?
Yes.
Was it bleached?
It was bleached on the
Okay,
ends.
so you have it bleached on the ends. Do you have it with you here?
Yes.
May I
this
see it,
here.
please? One, would you hand that to me?
Yes, ma'am.
You had it bleached on the ends, you had it put in,
Yes.
and then what happens?
I gave it a couple of days. I didn't put any product in the hair. I just wet it. I just kept thinking, like, well, maybe if I just wet the hair,
These are
it'll...
photos you submitted?
Yes.
When were these taken?
They were taken exactly 3 days
3
after
days
the
after.
hair.
Okay. Did you go to another expert, another stylist?
Yes.
Okay, who did you go see?
Miss Tiffany here, she actually took
Okay,
a look
why
at
don't
the
you
hair.
step up, ma'am? How long after you had the hair put in did you go see her?
Exactly 4 days later.
4 days later. What's your background?
I'm a stylist,
How long have you been a stylist?
over 20 years.
Do you specialize in hair weaves or extensions?
I do, and I
And has she
sell.
been a former customer of yours?
For 3 years.
Okay, so what did you do to test the hair to see if it was real or not?
I put the conditioner on the ends that were previously colored so that they wouldn't overlap, and proceeded the process on the top half. But the hair started to melt about 15 minutes into it, and I said, "Are you sure this is virgin hair?" And then I said, "Wait a minute, let me check it out."
But I think she knows that she was buying processed hair. The
I
issue.
did not know
I
that
didn't
at the
think
time.
she didn't know at the time.
Yes, she
I-
did.
But how do you
He
think the
gave me
hair
the
becomes?
impression-
How do you think the hair gets the kinky texture without going through the process?
To be honest with you, I was naive. I really thought that somebody's hair did look like that. I mean, he told me that it was Brazilian curly hair, and I didn't know. I
But
had no
you
idea.
know,
Brazilians don't cut their
as an
hair.
expert, you know that this hair doesn't come like this.
Right,
It's
and that's what I
processed.
explained to
Your
her.
Honor, can I
Okay,
interject?
go ahead.
When people say Brazilian hair, everybody in the industry knows that's the identifying the texture. That doesn't mean Brazilian women are cutting their hair off,
But
selling
everybody
their
does
hair.
it.
Brazilian hair, when people sell Brazilian hair,
Coming up, Judge Faith rules. And now, Judge Faith rules.
I have someone that's been listening to the testimony here today. Her name is Monique Ching. She's a celebrity hairstylist with 9 years experience, and she specializes in hair extensions and hair weaves. And I actually, you submitted this hair to court. I actually had her do a strand test on this hair, and Monique is going to come in and explain what she did. Hi, Monique.
Hi.
Thanks for being here.
No problem.
Have you had the opportunity to listen to the testimony here today?
Yes.
And you did a strand test on some of the hair the plaintiff submitted
Yes.
in court today, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is your expert opinion? Is it synthetic hair, which is completely fake hair, or is it really human?
No, it is human hair. I used 40 volume and color and lifted it, and it did lift. It definitely is not virgin raw hair. It has been processed, like he said, to achieve that curl pattern.
Okay, so it is virgin hair?
Correct.
But it's not raw virgin?
Correct.
And that's the distinction?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ms. Ching.
Thank you.
Okay, so, and I mean, that is really the distinction. It is virgin hair, according to Ms. Ching and the strand test that she did. What's your counterclaim about $1,500 for slander?
just basically her coming into the shop, going into this is hair that was sold to her fake and all of that, which it's been proven that
I don't
it's
think
not
she had a
fake.
proper understanding
Yeah.
of what she was purchasing. I really don't. There are different levels of quality of virgin hair, even if it's been processed to this kinky color. And there's some virgin hair that you buy, you can use it for 3 months and it's no good. And then there's hair that you buy that can last 2 years. But as to the question of whether or not this is virgin hair, based on my expert in the test that she did, it is. Sir, I'm not going to grant your claim of $1,500 for slander.
Okay.
I think she had an honest opinion in that she thought that you sold her hair that wasn't real, but that's just not true. The hair is virgin hair. So judgment in this case is for the defendant. Good luck.